Guys, I built the reactor core.
So let's get started.
Let's see to what happens.
No, that's not. It's not the wrong way.
Oh,
So if you like this video and if you like that,
And
we
then
will
you
help
will
you.
gonna make in the middle nether reactor.
Door.
If you have nether reactor, just do it.
yes.
Of course, always remember, this is always in survival. Not
Hey,
on
cobstone,
creative
cobstones,
or anything
Wait.
else.
cobstones.
They
Here we
don't
go.
say it doesn't have a cobblestone.
Here you go.
Let's see. Ta-da!
Hello, this is Master and the King. Oh my God, what a beautiful. Wait, why don't you try it?
Ta-da! This is the nether reactor core. And let's see what happens to click that. 1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
Go.
go!
What happened?
oh!
Oh!
What the?
What the?
Where did the? Oh my God, what
What
happened?
happened?
Did
There
you
is
see
no
that?
There is no nether reactor core. I see. Just a hole.
Soapy Pigman!
What the hell?
What?
What?
What happened? What?
Active! What the?
What? That? What happened?
What happened in this?
Why? I go to the. I will go to the house. There is no. In me, there is no.
So that is it. Oh my God.
Look at me.
There is.
Look at me.
That will be
No,
going in.
there is no.
nether
There
after.
is no. There is no. Just
Yes. Why here and this have here? It's lagging.
What happened?
But this is will be
Next time
Next- will be correct. But that is a correct pattern. But I don't know why it's no zombie and nothing. I don't know. I can't explain. So thank you for watching. Bye. Hello guys, did you enjoy the video? Subscribe now in our video. Thank you for watching.